Hello, Purti. Good afternoon.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
How are you doing today?
Sir, I am very well today.
Very nice. And hello, Pradyuman. How are you doing today?
Hello, sir. I'm very well, sir.
Wow, that's great. You look very happy
Yes,
today. Both of you are looking
yes,
very
sir.
happy.
Yes, sir. We are
Yes,
so eager to do activity today.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yes. So
yes,
in today's
sir.
activity, we are going to cover off 10 most important advanced vocabulary words, which are frequently used by renowned English speakers in their daily conversation. And if we
Yes,
want
sir.
to become one of them, we must apply this vocabulary in our daily conversation,
Yes, sir.
right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So today's activity is based on vocabulary. So without further delay, let's start, right?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So first word is comply with. Comply with.
Yes,
It
Yes,
means to follow some rules or to follow some regulations. कुछ इसका पालन करना होता है. Yes.
yes, sir.
Yeah. So now I have explained the word. Now I would like to request Purti, please tell me one sentence in which you would use comply with.
yes, sir. Sir, actually, my father always say to me that if you want to become a successful person in your life, you should comply with all the orders and all the orders that the successful person has left you, and we move on this path. Yes,
Okay.
yes,
Pradyuman, would you
Yes,
please tell me
sir.
one sentence?
Yeah, yeah, sir. Sir,
Hmm.
every Indian citizen should, every Indian citizen, uh, sir, what was that word?
Comply with.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Every Indian citizen should comply with the COVID-19 protocols, which has been set up by the government, so that every Indian citizen may be safe from COVID-19.
Very nice. Wow.
Thank you.
Very good sentence you said. Or you can say that we should comply with rules and regulation.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Where we
Okay,
use
sir.
comply with, we have to follow something. We have to abide. We are, bound to not do something like that.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Now next word is hush up. Hush up means to suppress something or to finish something. कोई चीज को दबा देना, कोई matter को दबा देना. That is called hush up.
yes, sir.
Okay, our sentence can be formed like this: that police hush up the matter.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Police
sir.
hushed up the matter. Here I use hushed up. I use ed. I use subject with to object.
Yes, sir.
Simple past or past indefinite.
Okay.
Yes. Now Purti, please tell me one sentence
Yes, sir.
with the use of
Sir,
hush up.
if we see, yes, sir. If we see
Speak
in
aloud,
today
please.
era, yes, sir. Sir, if we see in today's era, we can all the many politicians try to hush up the matter of the crime related to their crimes, and
Very good. Very good. Wow. Very nice sentence. And I'm amazed that you remember that at a certain
yes,
certain
sir.
point. So that is something which is astonishing, amazing.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Pradyuman, please tell me one
Yes,
sentence.
sir. Yes, sir.
Whatever comes in the
Sir,
mind,
some.
feel free. Okay, whether
Okay,
it
sir.
is right or wrong, it is your own sentence. It is your own
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah.
creativity level.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sometimes government tries to hush up some important matters like unemployment, poverty, and quality education.
Okay.
Yes.
Would you mind telling me some different sentence, any other different, which is not related with the politician or any other sentence?
Sir, if sir, I
You can use
can not.
negativity. You can use negative sentence also.
Okay, sir. Sir, I can say that. Sir, my brother always hush up some matters. Sir, I don't know remember sir
Okay,
completely.
no problem. You tried,
Yes,
na?
sir.
You tried.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yes,
no
Yes.
sir.
problem. You at least tried. I'm satisfied with your try.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Third, and a very important word is procrastinator. Procrastinator is the pronunciation. Procrastinator means a person who avoids, जो कोई भी काम आसानी से टाल देता है, जो करता नहीं है. ठीक है? We can say somewhat lazy or negligent, careless. We can say that.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So
Okay, sir.
sentence can be formed like this: if you are procrastinator, you might not be able to achieve what you dream in the life.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Like this. Now, Purti, can you please tell me one sentence?
Yes, sir. Sir, we should never become a procrastinator person in our life.
Very good.
And especially in a student's life. If
Very
we
good.
do this, we can't
Can you
achieve
please hold the
anything.
mic? Speak aloud, actually.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. If we do this, we can't achieve anything to make a procrastinator person. Yes, sir.
Okay. Pradyuman, please give a
Yes, sir.
try.
Sir, sir, my brother is a procrastinator because sir, whenever my mother ordered to my brother to go market to buy some commodity, my brother always denied my mother order. Yes, sir.
Okay, he always denies. He refuses.
Yes,
No,
sir.
I'm not going to bring these things from market.
Yes, sir.
Tell Pradyuman to go like this.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, sir.
All right, no problem. Well, next word is pugnacious. It's pugnacious is the pronunciation. Pugnacious means aggressive. A person who is always ready to fight.
Yes,
He's
sir.
so violent, like this. झगड़ालू, जो हमेशा झगड़ने के लिए तैयार होता है, उतावला रहता है.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
and we can use this in our sentence that if you are pugnacious, you can't win the heart of people. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, Pradyuman, please tell me one sentence in which you would use pugnacious.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, nowadays we can see that China is playing a role of pugnacious because China always ready to fight with India, like a little bit issues, like a Pangong Lake and a border issues, sir.
Mhm.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Very good. You took yourself to the international level. Wow, that's
Yes,
amazing.
sir.
Okay. Now, Purti, please,
Yes, sir. Yes,
it's
sir.
your turn.
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, I would like to say that when we lived in Sanda colony, our neighbor was very
Speak, speak
pugnacious
aloud.
person. Yes, sir. Our neighbor was very pugnacious type man. And my mother always said to me that you should not go there because if you go there, I think they erupted. They erupt.
They might fight with you like this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They might
Okay,
fight
or
with
you might,
me.
or you might have verbal dispute with them. Verbal dispute.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you tried. That's really stupendous. Now, next word is affable. Affable is completely
Yes, sir.
opposite of pugnacious. Affable means a person who believes in sharing the love in society. जो बहुत ज्यादा मिलनसार होता है, किसी के साथ भी easily वो घुल मिल जाता है, right? And
Yes, sir.
sentence can be formed like this: my mother is affable. She takes care of everyone in the house. Purti,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
please tell me one
Sir,
sentence.
yes, sir. Sir, in present situation, we try to make up a fable person because many no, towards the poor people.
People.
If we Yes, sir, poor people, poor people, and many poor people understand that anybody is no here apart from God, and so if we are rich and uh, we are yes, sir, it is.
Okay. If you are rich and if you are not a fable, it's no use of that.
Yes, sir.
Is that all you
Yes,
want to
sir.
say?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So all you want to say that we should be a fable, whether we are rich or
Yes,
poor, it doesn't matter.
yes, sir.
Yes, you spoke a very good thing. I really appreciate that.
Thank you.
Pradyuman,
Yes, sir.
I know you must be thinking a sentence in the mind. Now it's time to take it
Yeah,
out.
yeah. Sir, our India relation to other countries is a favor because, sir, in our foreign policy, our foreign minister always address solidarity, peace, and amicably relations.
Amicable
Yes,
relationship
yes,
with
sir.
the neighbor countries. Very good.
Yeah. Thank you.
Now next word is careless. Careless
Yes, sir.
means
Yes,
cruel, stone hearted, जो बहुत ज्यादा निर्दयी हो, कठोर हो, like this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So a sentence can be formed like this. Actually, my neighbors are careless. They have no mercy for others. Like this, we can say form a sentence, a very regular sentence you can form, which we can use our daily conversation. Pradyuman, please give a try.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Sir,
Purti, please turn on the camera.
I sir, we
कठोर
can
या
see
फिर
that.
जिसका पत्थर
Yes,
का दिल
sir.
होता है उसे कैलस कहा जाता है.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Sir, nowadays we can see that the Taliban group is a callous group because, sir, we have heard a news that a woman has been burnt by the Taliban militaries because the woman did not cook delicious food for them.
Very good.
Yes, sir. Thank
Very
you.
nice. Purti, please give a
Yes,
try.
sir.
Speak aloud.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, in many Bollywood films, Amrish Puri has played a role of callous pupil, callous, and
Callous actor.
yes, sir.
Yes,
And due to play this role, he has nominated many favorable and many British awards, and he achieved it like National Filmfare Award and as well as include many awards to phone their callous role.
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir.
That's really a wonderful character we had in the past.
yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, next word is inculcate. It's inculcate. Inculcate means to instill in someone's mind. किसी के मन में कोई चीज को बैठा देना. Inculcate. And
Yes, sir.
sentence can be formed that we should inculcate moral values in our children. Like this. Now, Purti, can you please
Yes,
use this
sir.
word in your own sentence?
Yes, sir. Sir, first of all, we should never inculcate the fear of exam in children's mind because
Very
they
good.
divert. Yes, and to listen then thinking about the fear, they divert from the examination, and they hardly put attention their exam and read study time. So we should avoid this.
Very good. Pradyuman, it's your turn.
Yes, sir. Sir, as per my sir, I I can remember that every parents should inculcate good ideas and thoughts to their children, so that they maybe become a real success person.
Very nice. So they
Yes,
might become real, they might achieve real success in life.
yes, sir.
Very good. Next word is endanger. Endanger means खतरे में डालना, अपनी जान को खतरे में डालना. That is endanger. To put our life into danger. Some people endanger their life by walking on railway tracks. This is the sentence.
Yes,
Yeah. Now, Pradyuman, give a try.
yes, sir. Sir, sometimes our enemy always try to endanger us because they don't want to see our success.
Mhm.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Purti, unmute yourself and please speak.
Okay. Yes, sir. Sir, in present time, Taliban has endangered the life of all Afghanistan people,
People,
and
all
Taliban has
Afghanistani people.
all Afghani people. Yes, sir. And Taliban has erupted a riots against the Afghanistan government.
Very good. It's right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next word is insanely. Insanely. Insanely means पागलपन की हद तक. Like this. Okay. And sentence can be formed like this. That mother loves her child insanely. She can do anything for her child. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Pradyuman, please give a try.
Yes, sir. Sir, some UPSC aspirants, some UPSC aspirants prepare his examination
Prepare their
insanely
exam.
because
Prepare for
yeah,
their examination.
prepare for their examination insanely because
Very
they
good.
want to crack. They want to crack
Mhm.
UPSC exam.
Very nice.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Purti, it's your turn.
Yes, sir. Sir, yesterday I had seen the serial. In the serial, a girl was very insanity girl, and she could do anything to achieve what she wants to do. And even though she killed her parents also, and after that, yes,
Oh my God.
and
Then you
after
should
that
stop
I
watching
deny.
that kind of a serial. You should stop watching that
Yes,
kind of a
sir.
serial.
Yes, sir.
You should try for another serial that would give you something good for the life.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And I didn't see the serial again.
Yeah, that's what you did. A very commendable job by not watching that TV serial again.
Yes.
Okay. Well, the next and the last word of the session is inebriated. Inebriated. मतलब नशे की हालत में, नशे में धुत.
Yes, sir.
And we can say that in inebriated condition, anyone can do anything
Yeah, sir.
as he has no control. Like this. Well, Pradyuman, now please
Yes,
form a
sir.
sentence.
Yes, sir. Sir, some truck drivers drives truck
Drive truck.
inebriated. Yeah, drive truck inebriated, and that's
Condition.
the reason
Inebriated
incident.
condition. Condition word should be used there.
Yeah, sir.
Please repeat.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, some truck drivers drive truck inebriated, and the abbreviated condition cause their accident. Yes, sir.
Okay. Purti?
Yes, sir. Sir, I will take modern issue that occurred in our society more times. That many interpret. Sir, what was the meaning?
Inebriated. Actually, it's
Yes,
adjective.
sir.
It's adjective.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Many inebriated people people also do many domestic violence against the women, and due to domestic violence their children don't get achieve more facility, and due to lack of facility their future will go in the dark.
Very
So
good.
we should yes, and we should try to hard to stop these things, and we should educate all the people that never do addicted to alcohol.
Very good. Alcohol or any sort of addiction. Because
Yes,
addiction
sir.
is an addiction. It's always
Yes, sir.
hazardous. It's always
Yes,
hazardous
sir.
for
Yes,
body,
sir.
mind, society, and family, and for country.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And especially
Right?
for women. Yes, sir.
Yeah, especially for women.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today we have covered.
Yes.
So today we have covered 10 most important advanced vocabulary words, which are
Yes,
commonly used by eminent English speakers. And I hope today you would start using these vocabulary words today afterwards in your daily conversation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So this is the end from my side. See you guys in the next session. Bye. Have a nice day.
Yes, sir.
Have a nice day.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Have a nice day.